Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Evelyn, and if you are new here, please subscribe. I talk about money and the things that money buys. Today I'm going to show you the things that I bought. I got some masks from ShopLindiwe and a Gucci bag, my first ever Gucci bag from Net-a-Porter. So let's get into the video. So I'm gonna start with the masks. They arrived in this package, and here they are. ShopLindiwe is an online store. They also have a page on Instagram with the link to their website. They make these beautiful masks that I love. The masks give you room to breathe. Let me just open this one. They create a beak like this so that you can breathe easily. We all know how difficult it is to breathe with masks. And for those that love lipstick, it won't rub off because there's space for your lips to just be free from the material. So I got this 4-pack from their latest. They have these collections. These ones, they call them the corporate colors. Yeah, so I got these because when you go to work, these colors would almost always go with anything that you wear if you work in a formal setting like I do. So yeah, those are my masks. I love these because even the elastics are nice and soft. They don't pull on your ears very hard. So yeah, these are the ShopLindiwe masks. And I think this is a new edition. If you can see, I don't know if the camera will pick it up, but it looks like it is a linen material. So as you know, linen is very light and breathable. So I think this is gonna be my new favorite one. So yeah, those are the ShopLindiwe masks. Please go onto the Instagram page. There's a link there to the online store, and you'll see all the pricings. So let's move on to the Gucci bag. I think a week ago I decided to buy myself this Gucci bag. It was a bag that I spotted in February, I think, and it just got my attention. I couldn't get it out of my mind. I put it on my wish list, and unfortunately it sold out before I could get enough money saved to buy it. So I remember around May and April, somewhere there, it was really restocked. It was restocked, and again it sold out, and my heart really got sore. But I never removed it from my wish list. I was just hoping that it would come back come back in stock. So it did. And when I saw it, I was like, I have to buy this bag now or never. It's now or never. And immediately after buying it, it was delisted. Like, it was removed from my wish list. You couldn't even find it on the list of Gucci products. So yeah, I think it was I think there was one, and it was the only one. It came in this box, and there's the paperwork from Net-a-Porter, and then a free gift from Net-a-Porter Beauty, a bio-lifting mask by Shante Kyle. So it's just a sample of a beauty mask. Yeah, and it was nicely tucked in like that. So this is the Gucci box. This is the first time I get Gucci items in this beautiful packaging. You'll see the box is nicely embossed with these patterns. So yeah, this is the new packaging from Gucci, and a beautiful linen dust bag. So beautiful. And inside is the bag. So this is my new Gucci bag, Dionysus bag. This bag was a collaboration between Ken Scott and Gucci. Well, these florals actually are not your normal Gucci offerings. This was a collaboration between Ken Scott and Gucci. The creative director, Alessandro Michele, said he is obsessed with Ken Scott, and I think that's one of the reasons why they decided to collaborate and make a line of items from the Ken Scott, what can I say, from some of the works of Ken Scott. So yeah, this is one of the patterns that they used. Ken Scott was an American designer. He used to be obsessed with florals. They even called him the gardener of fashion, or the fashion gardener, something like that. Yeah. So if you look at the bag here, you'll see Ken Scott's, let me cover my eyes. You'll see Ken Scott's signature, and here you will see the Gucci signature. So basically that is how it looks, beautifully painted with this. Is it? No, it's not painted because this is in the archives, so it was just printed on it. So yeah, so let's get into the bag. This is the Dionysus Super Mini. It's very, very small. As you can see, it can fit into like my hands. I can hold it like this, and yeah, for reference, it's as big as my hand. So yeah, this is the bag. It has a snap-on closure, as you can see there. This flap doesn't go up and down. It's just, I think it's just for aesthetics, or it's just the design of it. There's no, yeah. So you see the patterns continuing even on the flap. And then inside, it's K instructions, yeah. K instructions, and it says Gucci, made in Italy, Ken Scott, a brand of Montero. So the work of Ken Scott is managed by his foundation. He died some time ago, I don't know when, but he has a foundation, and his work is managed by that foundation. However, Montero bought the work of Ken Scott, Montero, not Montero, but that they bought the brand Ken Scott, so they now own Ken Scott. So that is why it says Ken Scott, a brand of Montero. Montero is a textile company in Italy, and they do textiles for the high-end fashion market. So yeah, that is the bag. And then it also has inside here a little hook, for keys maybe, which says Gucci, made in Italy. How do you open this hook? Oh, so you just push. So you just push this hook. It's quite heavy or tough, so I guess you can put your car keys there and you're good to go. And then it's got suede lining. Oh my god, this bag is so small, I don't think you guys will be able to see, but this lining here is suede, and there's that stamp that I read which says Gucci Gucci and Ken Scott, a brand of Montero. First, let me show you the strap. This is the strap, the chain strap. It's a very nice chain. It's not very shiny, but I don't mind that because I don't want it to take away from the bag, and it matches this hardware very well. So yeah, this chain is removable. I think that's why it's only hung on one side. So that's the bag. I've managed to thread it through, and that's the chain and the bag on the chain. This is definitely a bag that you carry when you don't want to use or to carry a lot of things, or when the occasion dictates that you don't bring a big bag. It's like a clutch bag. Because the chain is removable, you can use it as a clutch bag, and or tuck in the chain and use it as a clutch bag. But yeah, probably suitable for like weddings, breakfast dates, or just an outing where you want to wear a nice bright colored bag. So yeah, that's my new Gucci bag, my first ever Gucci bag, and I like it so much. I'm glad that I was able to buy the last one, or the last one that they had at the time when I bought. But yeah, I really love these florals. Yeah, so that's my new Gucci bag. Tell me what you think. I will now tell you how much it costs, because some of you are interested. But because this was a collaboration piece, you might not find it, but this will give you, I think the Dionysus Super Mini is priced around the same mark. I'm not sure, but you'll get an idea of how much it costs. So I paid in pounds 780 pounds for this bag. Funny enough, when I first saw it, it was listed at plus minus 820. Yeah, that's the price that I paid. It was listed at 780 pounds and I got it. And yeah, that is my new edition, the Gucci Dionysus Super Mini by Gucci and Ken Scott. In the comments, please tell me if you like fashion collaborations. What is your favorite fashion collaboration at the moment? I personally love collaborations because they come up with a new thing. They infuse an existing product. Sometimes they infuse an existing product with the work of another creative or designer, and something new is produced, just like this bag. So yeah, I'm a big fan of collaborations, but yeah, sometimes they're priced a little bit too high, and you can't be always buying into every collaboration. But I'm glad I got into this one. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.